There are many persons out there who have put out very good research. They have burned their candles, they have written very good research manuscript. But somewhere, somehow, these manuscripts stay with them because they are unable to pay for publication. They are able to pay for the article publication charge because some of the journals out there charge exorbitant amounts to publish research. Now, if you're one of such young researchers, master students, PhD students, postdoc students that have good research, that have put in the work and have written something very wonderful, but for some reasons, for paucity of cash and paucity of funds, you're unable to publish your work, then you want to stick to this video, you want to watch this video to the end, because in this video, I want to share with you how to find free journals. Yes, free journals that are quoted or indexed on Scopus, on um, several research databases that do not charge a dime to publish research work. I will take you through how you could find them, where you can find them, and how you can search for them in any category in sciences, social sciences, humanities, engineering, medical sciences, just any path, how you can find these research journals that are publishing high impact journal but do not charge you a dime to publish your work, and they do very good work. Now let's begin with the first. One place you can find these journals is at DOAJ. So just go to your search tab on any browser and type www.doaj.org/search/journals. And when you have that, you just hit on enter and it'll take you to the space where you don't need to log in, you just need to come somewhere here and you would see a number of things. It lists all the different journals that are available. Directory of open um, journals is what you find here. And so you have all of these, and you are interested in finding research without fees or journals without fees. So you click on that, you filter that search to journals without fees, that they don't charge any APC whatsoever. There will be so many of them, but you can filter further. So if you're in agric or you're looking for journals in agricultural sciences, you could use that. You're looking for journals in auxiliary sciences, you could use that. You're looking for journals in education and fine arts, in general works, in geography, in history, in law, medicine, military sciences, and name this. So let's say I am interested in sciences or in technology. I'll just search or filter to science, and all that would pop up here would be papers that do not charge a dime to publish your work. So let's begin with the first. Here I have Discover Chemistry. It is indexed on Springer in Singapore, and they accept manuscript in English for chemistry. And look up here, the last update. This is to show you that this is very, very, very current. And the last update was 3 days ago. They do not charge APC or whatsoever. They charge no fee, and they want to confirm that this journal exists. So you just click on that and you get to see their website, and you click on their website. Wow, this journal do exist, and you can submit, and this is all of the current charge is zero, standard fee and all of that. They do not charge a fee whatsoever to publish your work. So you want to go back and say, okay, I want to search for some more. Journal of Advances in Plant Protection, not charge a fee. Um, Journal, or they publish academic of scientific research and technology in Egypt. They accept papers in Arabic and in English. You want to check their website out. You just click there and their website opens. Don't worry, you can get it in English. Don't be afraid of the Arabic. Just click on English and you'll get all this written in English for you to have a better assimilation of what is stated here, Arab Journal of Science. Okay, in policy, so you want to look at the Arab Journal of Science, Technology, and Innovation Policy. It's a leading journal, ABC, all of that. Science, technology, and innovation policies. I want to go down and see all the things that they publish. That you want to look at their scope properly before you begin to put out your paper. Okay, this is wonderful. They do not charge a fee. So if you're in sciences and in technology, send your paper in here and you would have it published without a fee. You want to search for more Journal of Structural Dynamics. It is somewhere there in the University of Liege in Belgium. And it's a recent paper. They are very current, and these are all the scope of what they publish. And so you could go down and down. There is something here, Journal of Theoretical and Applied Physics. So if you're in physics, wow. And this paper is based in the UK. This is beautiful. So if you're looking to publish a paper in the UK and you don't have the fee, this journal would help you do just that. So you can just click on that and go through the paper. Let's look at their website, say that is interesting part of what you're looking for, and all of this information, they do not charge a fee whatsoever. You can just uh, send in your paper almost immediately. They don't charge a fee. So send your paper there. And what more? There are plenty papers like this. Just keep searching and you would keep finding these journals that do not take a fee to publish your work. And these are not just your regular journals. These are papers or journals that are quoted or indexed in Scopus. These are high impact papers. These are high end papers, and they don't take a fee to publish your work. Don't forget that in this channel, I share with you all the information you need to um, become a very outstanding researcher in no time. And this is just one of such videos. So you want to stick around this channel, you want to like, you want to share this video so that other young researchers who don't have the means to publish their papers could learn how they can find free journals to send in their work. You want to also like this channel, want to subscribe so that next time I share something beautiful, you are about the first person to be reached. Go out there now, use this workflow and find plenty journals that can publish your paper without you having to pay any fee. Thank you for watching.